Good morning, folks. It is Tuesday and I am here in beautiful New Ulm. We have one of the best weeks of the year here. It is fall in Minnesota. There's not a better place on the earth to be than here. It's a beautiful, beautiful week. We're going to have 60s and 70s going here. And I am going live from my big, beautiful restoration project here to let you guys know that tomorrow I will be heading to Chicago to the PDCA, the Painting and Decorating Contractors of America Craftsmanship Forum. Some of the people who care most about our craft in North America and other parts of the world will be there, and we will actually discuss furthering the craft of painting, restoration, things like that. It's a couple-day affair here. We'll be touring Frank Lloyd Wright's home and studio. I will be sneaking in as much historic home tours as I possibly can. And the final day, the final piece of education for the Craftsmanship Forum, I will be giving one of my master's classes. This one is called The Perfect Kitchen. It's all about the science and the business of coating previously finished woodwork, cabinets, doors, millwork, things like that. So I'm brushing up on that. I've given this before and it brought people to their feet. We had lots of discussion. It's a very science-based master's class. I've talked to chemists, I've talked to doctorates in bioscience and the people who come up with these coatings, and I created this presentation for painters. There's a lot of old wives' tales and sort of we've always done it this way, and I tried to basically say what of that is good, what of that is bad, and here's what I found in the field from my 24 years of experience. So that will be Thursday and Friday. I saw the list of people attending, and I can't wait to see some of you guys. Some of the finest craftspeople in North America will be there, so it's going to be really exciting. We are on the final stretches of this project here. We got a beautiful sunset here. We got all the leaves changing. It's just the most beautiful place here. Down here behind me is the river valley. And when the sun comes up a little better, you can see all the leaves are changing. It's just a beautiful place to be. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of work with the crew today, make sure we got things buttoned up here. They will be staying the rest of the week, finishing up this job, taking care of these homeowners that have trusted us with this beautiful house. And then tomorrow I'm headed off to Chicago. So I look forward to seeing all you guys, and it's gonna be a fun time. And we will talk to you soon.